Prayerful greetings this Good Friday, my dear brothers and sisters, when we commemorate the passion and death of our Lord Jesus Christ. Every oblate priest and brother is given an oblate cross during perpetual profession of vows or during perpetual oblation. The present Superior General, Father Chicho, is as well keeping with him the oblate cross of St. Eugene de Mazenod. The oblate cross is a reminder for us oblates of the conversion of our founder, St. Eugene de Mazenod, one Good Friday. It was during the veneration of the cross, one Good Friday, when God struck in the heart of young Eugene de Mazenod what will later on become a missionary endeavor of a lifetime. In his diary, he wrote, "I look for happiness outside of God, and to my sorrow, look there for too long a time. How many times in my past life did my heart tormented, throw itself in desperation at its God, whom it had abandoned? Can I ever forget those bitter tears that sight of the cross caused to stream from my eyes one Good Friday? Ah, they welled up from the depths of my heart, and nothing could stop them. They were too abundant to hide from the people who, like myself, were attending that moving service. I was in mortal sin, and it was this that caused my sorrow. Then, as on yet another occasion, I could perceive the difference. Never was my soul more relieved, and never did it feel happier. And it was simply because during the torrent of tears, despite my grief, or better, by reason of it, my soul leaped toward its final end, towards God, its only good, whose loss it felt so keenly. Why say more? Could I ever do justice describing what I felt at that moment? Just thinking about it fills my heart with sweet consolation." As we ponder this day, the passion and death of our Lord Jesus Christ, we thank Him for the conversion that He has graced our founder, St. Eugene de Mazenod. And so it is as well a reminder for all of us Oblates of Mary Immaculate and all of us members of our Oblate de Macedonian family that living with gratitude, that grace and gift of conversion Eugene received one Good Friday, we as well look at the cross and remember God's great love for each and every one of us. In our constitutions and rules of 1818, it was written there about the oblate cross, "They will have no other distinguishing mark except that which is proper to their ministry, namely the image of the crucified Lord. This crucifix will serve as the credentials of their embassy to the different peoples to whom they are sent. It will be a perpetual reminder to the missionaries themselves of the humility, patience, charity, modesty, and of all the other virtues with which they are to carry out their most holy and sublime ministry." This Good Friday, we thank God for that beautiful conversion He has graced Eugene with, which marks the beginning of our Oblate Missionary Foundation. I wish you a blessed Paschal Triduum and a blessed Easter celebration.